Hello and welcome to Camp App. So this is a tutorial to show you how to navigate your dashboard after you sign on, kind of show you all the different things that Camp App has to offer. So when you first log in, right through the website, the first place you're going to land is on your dashboard. So on your dashboard, you'll have all the different trackers you need to figure out how many participants you have within your system. And everything else within the system is going to take place right here on the left-hand menu. So for all of these different things I'm going to show you real quick, we do have separate tutorials for, such as how to create your camps in the system, how to onboard your participants, how to use these different features and kind of maximize your experience. But this tutorial is just to show you how to navigate and where everything is located. And then from there, you can review our user guides or our other tutorials to learn how to use everything. So all the different features are located right here within your camp menu on the left-hand side, and you click that there, and it'll populate everything the app has to offer. So the first thing it starts with is the camp list. So this screen here is where you're going to create all your different camps and camp groups. And as far as how the app's structured, so basically the way it works is you'll set up all your camps and camp groups within the system, and then you'll onboard your participants to those specific camps and camp groups to allow you to send different information to different participants. So whether you have different sites you want to send different information to, or different groups within your camp that you want to send different information to, you have that ability. So the participants or the parents are only going to receive the information for the camp or camp group that you connect them to. And again, you can see all the different tutorials we have on creating your camps and onboarding your participants. The next three menu items all have to do with your rosters and your database. So you have your master parent database here with all of your accounts in the system, all the different campers within the system, and the camp user menu is what participants are connected to which camps, and you can filter those and look those up as far as how your rosters are situated within the system. So the camp app database is more of a sit it and forget it type of database. All your main concern is connecting them to the correct camps, but this is not like a registration system where you need to maintain the database, keep a whole bunch of updated information within the database. It's more so just upload your rosters for each camp that you offer, and continue to do that and continue to connect the right participants to the right camps so they can receive the information that you're sending. The rest of the menu items here are all the different features that the app has to offer. So you'll have a camp newsfeed. You're going to have Camp Document Center to upload any PDF documents that the parents need access to. You have camp trip and event information that you can post. You have camp picture albums and galleries where you would upload pictures to those albums. You have video, the ability to share video from a YouTube page, where you can just post the YouTube link right into the camp video, and it's viewable right inside the app. You also have a camp calendar here, where you can post all of your schedules or highlight specific activities throughout the course of a week. All of the camp events and trips automatically show up on the calendar for parents as well, which is a neat feature. So they'll be able to see that information in two different spots on the mobile side of the app. You have the ability to fundraise. So in this section here is where all of your transaction history would be located. You can message different groups or participants within the app, similar to like an email or a text. And then we have a contact us section where parents can reach out through the app to reach you within the app. This is a completely optional feature, but it's there if you need it. And then we have a resources section with all sorts of documents and activity guides and educational content here within the app, and then links to our user guide and our support site where the rest of the guides and tutorials are located. So that's everything packed here within the Camp app. Again, go check out the support page on the website for more information on how to use all of these features. But once you get the hang of it and get one camp under your belt, it's a very easy, streamlined system to use. It works alongside any registration system just by exporting your rosters out of that and into the app. And then once you get your participants in there, it automatically onboards them and gets them connected to the app. And then from there, all you need to do is post and send out information, and you'll know that they're going to receive the stuff that you put in there, and they'll have easy access to that information for the duration of camp. So that concludes our tutorial here on how to navigate the system and where to find everything within the app. And we thank you for being here and hope you are on the Camp app soon. Thanks. Bye.